Hello, in this video I want to show you how to craft the backpack upgrades and apply them to your backpacks in Minecraft Dawncraft mod. And to do this we'll need to open our craft bench, and first we'll need to create the upgrade base, and for that we need some iron and simply place it like that. Then take the strings, place them just like that, and one leather in the middle. That will craft the upgrade base, and from here we can craft multiple different upgrades, and you can simply find them by typing in the upgrade in the bottom, and there's all of the backpack upgrades. And for example, we're gonna go for this one, feeding upgrade, and for that we need to place the upgrade base in the middle. Then I think the carrot was in the top, melon on the right, and apple on the left, and the ender pearl in the bottom. Here's a fitting upgrade. We can take that into our inventory. Then let's actually drop that backpack because I don't want this one. Then click B on your keyboard as its the default hotkey for backpack opening, and then we can insert the fitting upgrade to the left. And since we have this upgrade, we can place food inside the backpack, and this will automatically feed us when we need that. And you can also add additional slots for the upgrades by upgrading your backpack itself. And for that we need again go to our workbench, place the backpack in the middle, take some iron ingots for the first upgrade, cover the backpack with the iron ingots, and here's upgraded backpack. And you can do that multiple times with upgraded ingots like gold. I think next was gold, then there's the diamond, and now lastly netherite. And this will increase the amount of upgrades that we can place inside this specific backpack. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.